In this video, I'm about to show you how to change gender in Hellotalk. First, open the Hellotalk app on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into your account for full access to your profile settings. Once the app is open, tap on Me, located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can see your personal information. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. This will open the settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now scroll down and tap on Help. This section provides resources and assistance for issues you might face while using the app. In the Help section, tap on Feedback to submit your requests for assistance. This is where you can communicate with the support team about account-related issues. Then select the category as Account Issue. This helps the support team categorize your request correctly. Next, under the option for where the issue occurs, choose Account Settings. This indicates that your request pertains to changing details within your account. In the description box, write a clear message such as, "I want to change my gender." Be specific about your request so the support team understands exactly what you need. Finally, tap on Submit Feedback to send your request. The Hellotalk support team will review your feedback and guide you through the process of changing your gender in your account settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.